This is like a Picasso. From afar, it looks right, but then when you get up close, you're like, whoa. I'm Vaughn, I'm a tasty producer, and I am here with my lovely friends Ashley and Essence, who are very inexperienced cooks. Can y'all please put the knives down?
Aren't you not supposed to use sharp things on pans?
No, no. And today I'm going to be challenging them to bake without a recipe. I literally just laid out ingredients for them, and they're gonna have to figure out what to do with them. What we're gonna be making today, ladies, is hussy brownies, as my grandma would call them. She calls everybody a hussy.
Okay.
Gotta love grandma.
You have cookie dough, Oreos, and then brownie mix. What you have to do is you have to figure out the order of those layers, and you need to figure out what to mix with the brownie mix. Also, how long to bake it for. I actually have some ingredients that aren't portioned out correctly. So you're gonna have to also figure out the portions.
Do we watch a tasty recipe first?
No.
So there's no instructions whatsoever?
Nope.
Do you need to eat them at the end?
I do. And so that's the point.
Okay.
Is that at the end, I get to test your work. It is literally brownie batter and like pre-made cookie dough. How can you screw it up?
This,
Lots of ways.
yeah.
First off, I don't even know what this is. Oh, is this the brownie mix?
Yeah.
Oh,
I thought it was hot
okay.
cocoa.
I thought it was like cinnamon or nutmeg. Okay.
That would be a ton of nutmeg, by the way. Do you think you're up for the challenge?
No. Oh, it's chocolate chips in there.
Ooh, okay. I thought it was moldy.
Sorry. Why do we need sugar? I thought they came already done. Like,
I'm imagining like little devil
I
horns
bet this
just,
is the
like,
extra.
growing.
I don't know how to make anything, but I do know how to make a box cake, and you never add sugar.
thanks. Awesome.
Yeah, we definitely
don't
need these
this.
two.
We don't need all that oil though, do we?
Oh, I bet it's 1/4.
Okay. That sounds good to me.
But how do we measure this out? Oh.
nice.
Oh, tablespoon? Okay. Oh, what's cups
How
to
do we
tablespoons?
convert? I took college algebra twice, just so you know.
Oh,
So do you know
that they offered algebra in college?
Oh, I thought you were saying you took it twice, like you were so good you wanted to take it again.
No, I took it twice because I was so bad. But
Like,
look
that's
at me
too-
now.
Right.
So
Look at me now. You don't need math to be fabulous, bitch.
you don't.
I'm really glad, side note, that I didn't make y'all make macarons because that was gonna be the original challenge. We would have literally been here for days. This is ridiculous.
Okay, that's it. That's 1/4. Oh, I'm making a mess. This is looking kind of
Chunky.
Should we put all the oil in?
Just maybe like a drop.
A drop. I like to have a lot of oil in my diet. I have dry skin, right? Beauty editor, you know this.
Yeah, it's good. We did it right.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's weird. No, we need a brush. We're painting with butter.
Do we need a little more just to make sure it doesn't stick?
It's
It's what?
this is a non-stick. So
Oh my God.
Okay, let's talk about density. This is probably the heaviest, second heaviest, lightest. I think these need to go first. And then these, and then this.
Or is it these, this, and this?
Vaughn has the most expressive face ever, so I'm just trying to say things and like look over at the right time. He really can't hide anything. My initial instinct is cookie dough because that's dense and it's heavy, so it'll stay at the bottom. Then these, and then this.
So you got a little brownie in each bite.
Right. Okay.
All right, so are we doing these now?
Yeah.
This is rock hard. You hear that?
Should we microwave them?
No.
Do we just have to play with these with our hands? Okay.
I think this looks good.
Okay. Yeah, that
I'm
does.
kinda
Good job.
proud of this already. So now we're going to layer the
Oreos, right?
cookie dough with Oreos. Are these solid or crunched?
what do you think?
I'm picturing like beautifully laid, almost like you know how Khloe Kardashian lays her cookies in those cookie jars and like
Yes.
makes it
That
all
complete
cute.
waste of time, yeah. I had to do it for a BuzzFeed video.
Listen, I know a Pinterest dessert when I see one, and that looks like it.
Just call me Vanna Black.
This is really crazy. Ready?
Okay.
What if we do one layer like this, and then we do one layer smashed?
Okay.
And we can just stick them in here and just let out our aggression and smash them on the table. Headphone users beware. Oh, she's a little more gentle than me. I like this little remix we're doing. Like Grouch, you know, these are our tiles. Oh, this smells good.
It smells really good. Should we add a little butter? I like butter things. Just a little. Just a little. Just a little. It's gonna bake, right?
It looks like caramel right now.
It's heavy. I feel good, actually. I'm really confident in this. I think this is about to be the best hussy brownie you've seen this side of the Statue of Liberty.
Now y'all have to figure out how long to bake them.
Oh my God. How long do you normally bake your box cakes?
Until I stick a fork in it and it's not like,
So maybe we should do that.
but how do we tell if the bottom's cooked? We can't even see it.
Because when we stick it all the way in there,
We'll get
and
a piece
pull it
of
back
it,
up.
yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Yay! Watch
Okay.
out, friends. Okay, it has a couple of craters.
I like when brownies have a crack in the top.
Okay.
To be honest with you.
Okay, so that's a win.
Well,
It
it's
might
crack.
be from the butter that you drizzle.
Just a little.
It smells really good.
It looks moist, but I don't know if that means
You
it's
know-
not cooked.
Oh yeah. Oh right. We have to, I'm like, let's dig in. I forgot we have to test it. Ah!
It's not done.
Oh shoot.
It looks like chocolate
Oh no, but there's
frosting.
chocolate chips. That's what that is.
Okay.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh my God! It's so pretty!
Oh, don't hold the knife like that, please.
I'm sorry. How do you hold
Yeah.
it?
What's the right way to hold the knife?
Hold the knife down, and then you always announce in the kitchen when you have something sharp and when you're behind somebody. Sharp behind?
No one who doesn't cook would know what that meant.
Yeah.
So you gotta be like, girl, watch out, I got a knife. Okay.
That looks like it's got a nice crunch on the top and bouncy in the middle. Look at the butter on the side.
It's not done.
That is not
It
done.
looks good, it's just not done. Medium rare.
Cheers.
Oh.
It's really sweet.
This is so close to being burnt. I can't imagine if we had left it in longer how the middle would have gotten cooked.
There were a couple things that went wrong. You were supposed to put the butter in the brownie batter too, and less oil in the brownie batter.
Oh, we went for it with the oil.
Yeah. I mean, it's gooey, like the middle is raw.
That
The
is
middle
raw.
is
Definitely raw.
What temperature did y'all set it at?
I don't know, I just put it in there.
I think it was in there at too high of a temperature. With something that's such high volume, it should have probably been low and slow so that you has time to cook on the inside.
Got it.
I mean, all in all, for two non-cooks with no recipe, this is impressive.
Wow. I'm shocked that I think I like it less than Vaughn does.
I like it.
It's really sweet. It needs salt on top.
What about the Oreos? Was the grout Oreo correct or was the full Oreo correct?
I would have done full Oreo, but you were good to break the Oreo and like kind of fit it in the cracks.
I feel accomplished and very proud of this because we don't cook, we had no recipe, and it tastes good to me, like it's edible. I'm proud of it.
Edible.
This is good. I don't care what y'all say.